If you microwave a penny for 1 minute, you get a mini coin.
Thanks a lot, dog!
Opening and cooking 60-year-old dehydrated beef steaks.
The crazy thing is the cow that came from is probably dead by now.
Really don't regret this piercing.
This dude looks like a Chinese Looney Tunes villain.
What does it look like I do for a living?
Solve mysteries with a dog? This shit don't even hurt.
This shit is frying me.
I made me a charger and my shit on 8.82%.
I don't like it when Mr. Beast curses.